Hello, my name is Eduardo Milieris. I am the cook at Watchcraft, and we're going to do a small demonstration today on how we use copper. We're going to give it some color now. We're going to apply some fire on the copper that's brand new, and then we're going to continue to give it some more texture. So as I was saying, we find some copper, some brass, some nice swirls that we're going to imprint into the copper. What this makes is the watches to be all one of a kind, because we do all these things one by one. So no other watch will have the same imprint. Okay, this is very beautiful. We'll make a sandwich and have it for lunch. From here we go to the roller on this side. There we go. Now with this machine you can imprint even hair, leaves, hair, anything. Many times what we use is handcrafted paper. You can see it flat now. But this has a very nice texture that we use. We imprint on the metal and then we use on the watches. We have a wide band here. It's 18 millimeters wide here where it connects with the watch. So the band is made of solid brass, is distressed, is oxidized, and now what we're going to do is now we cut these pieces and we're going to apply them here with a cold connection. We'll make 4 holes and we'll connect them with little rivets. We have shaped the pieces, and from here, okay, this is where they will go. So I hope you have enjoyed this little demonstration and a little tour of the shop. This is one of my favorite. It's called Torres.